Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. You join me in the workshop. We've got a few electrical bits on the bench because Emily's going to join me in a moment. I get to stand here with a beer and just point and say undo this, do that up, and she's actually going to change the right hand switch gear on a Mutt Mongol. And it's a bit of a hack for any of the Mutt owners. The switch gear on these is particularly bad, and this might be a decent fix, so stay tuned after the intro and we'll get into it.
Oh, this is why it's plugged into anything, is it? You want it to go inside some.
Take that tube off it now. There it goes. I already did the intro. I didn't say we were doing the horn.
Yeah, but we didn't finish the one from last time because the other one didn't work. It went non-horn noise.
Let's do a switch then. And then first. This cable tie. Yep.
What are you doing?
Yeah, underneath it. Cable loose. Yep. And then you want to unplug these from your brake light switch. There you go. That easy. Yeah.
Mhm.
And now we want the screwdriver. Undo your headlight. Now you want to find the plug.
If I get in this right, you're supposed to push that down.
Yeah, and then pull. There you go.
These as well.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. And you have to do some thinking.
Right.
Because your new switch is slightly different. Because it's not built for this bike.
We're pulling all this out.
Yep. There you go. And now you want your big screwdriver again. And you got a screw here.
The angle the screw is. Oh,
Yep.
and this one.
Yeah, you can do that one. That's for your accelerator cable.
So if the switch that we've bought's not for this bike, what bike is it for?
They use it on a Suzuki GS500. And a few other Suzukis, I think. SV650 and one other screw, a smaller one. Split the halves of that now. You can see your accelerator cable there. You. Now what you want to do, if you look at your accelerator cable around here, there's a slot for it to come out of.
Yeah.
So you want to extract that from there. Usually a bit fiddly. There you go. And you can pull that out of there. And that's your switch.
Bin.
No.
Oh, that's a bit weird.
As if by magic, it is the next day. and we'll be on our way back down the workshop in a moment to get this buttoned up, but I thought I would go over exactly what we had done. So on the bench I've got the original switch that was on the Mutt and the rework switch from the Suzuki GS500. Now the function of this switch is exactly the same, but the wiring is slightly different. It's a little hard to explain, but there's a split on the ground switch there and some takeouts, but essentially you just need to desheath both switches and then duplicate the setup on this switch with this one. Now we did that with a very cheap and easy accessible connector kit, which I'll link below. Is available on Amazon. I think it was like £8 or something like that, but that's pretty much what we did. So repin this new connector, which is the same as the connectors they use, and a new female bullet there on that connector. And the reason for doing this fix is a very common problem of a very sticky starter motor or starter switch. So go on then. What have you changed?
When?
Since you've had it?
Since I've had it?
What's been done?
We put a new seat on, didn't we? Because we bought a nice new shiny seat because the old one was wonky because it had been kept outside. We got another side panel for it. We changed the oil in it because that was a goopy job. Oh, we changed the clutch cable because the old one didn't quite work very well. We've changed the new grips. We've changed these, didn't we? Did we paint them or do something with them?
That one.
We got one, didn't we? Yeah. Obviously we've just changed. We changed the horn. We've just changed this because it kept sticking, and I'd be riding along and it would stay in. So yeah, that's why we changed that. We got new headlight brackets because they were vile.
How much do you reckon you spent?
Well, I bought it for £500 as a non-runner. Oh, battery! That's what we bought to make it go. I reckon, including my CBT and my insurance, I'm probably around £1,500 getting me onto the road and going.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. Most of the stuff we've bought has been from Mutt.
We're saying it's cheaper
Because, yeah.
buying from them than second hand.
Buying straight from them, yeah. And the staff in there are lovely.
Anything that's not as good. You bought Suzuki, ain't you?
Yeah. I want to order a bolt kit because I don't like some of these bits are a bit rusty because the previous owner kept it outside because that's all they could do, and to be fair, I keep it outside in the summer. But yeah, we're getting there. Just wants some more polishing and tidying. You would have thought somebody had done it in the winter while it was really bad weather, but
all these scabby rusty bits.
yeah. I don't enjoy it though, I just want somebody to just prick the fingers and it be done.
Be done. Like these bits.
Yeah, I don't mind doing this sort of bit, but yeah. We'll get there. Creep and go. I'd like this to be black as well. I don't like them wrapped, I want them to be black.
So what you're saying is, all them bits that are painted black, they should watch the video of that
Yeah.
next.